Are you in the situation where you're currently only filming with your smartphone, but you're also planning to upgrade to a mirrorless camera down the road? Or are you an aspiring filmmaker filming with your smartphone, trying to get the best quality somehow possible? That means you're also using filters and add-on lenses and cases and so on. What if there was a proper gimbal that could handle all of these scenarios and still offers the ease of use such as a consumer gimbal that you get with your smartphone? Well, there is one out there, and you can win one at the end of this video. So make sure to stick till the end, and let's get started with this week's Gear Friday. Welcome back to another Gear Friday video. I'm so glad to have you for this video, and in case you're new here, welcome. I'm super glad to have you. If you want to improve your video quality, then you're goddamn right here. In case you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so, as it's helping out the channel more than you know. Alright, so what you can see here, this is the Hohem iSteady MT2, which is a hybrid gimbal with a payload of 1.2 kilograms. And this gimbal, I gotta tell you, this is pretty fantastic, and it has some very dope features. The coolest feature and the most impressive feature by far is the AI tracking. At the top of the gimbal you get this tiny AI tool that has sensors and maybe a camera. I don't know how it's working, and in there are some sensors and camera, and I'm not quite sure like how it's working, but basically what it does, it tracks you without any in-camera app or without anything else. You can stop it with a simple hand gesture, and it works with any camera, and again, you don't have to use any specific app to get this feature. As I have already mentioned, you activate it just by doing this, and you stop it by doing this. And this works extremely fine, and it's just super handy if you're filming yourself, if you're a one-man band, and if you want to show off different things, or if you're live streaming or something like this. The coolest aspect for me personally, again, is that you don't have to use any third-party app or any specific app to get this feature. I think with pretty much all other gimbals, you have to use their specific app to get the feature. If you're out of that app, you don't get the feature. With the Hohem iSteady MT2 and also the M6, you can use whatever app that you want. Another awesome feature of the MT2 is the quick release plate that lets you change from vertical to horizontal filming within just a couple of seconds. Especially for smaller cameras, this is an extremely cool feature. Like in the past, the way to get this, you had to buy an L bracket, and it was just very annoying to change that. And with some cameras, it even wasn't possible at all. The stabilization is also working extremely good. You get some super smooth looking shots, and the fact that you can use this with your smartphone, with just your naked smartphone, or also with your action cam, or your smartphone with an add-on lens with a filter, or also your smaller mirrorless camera, this makes this just a perfect gimbal, and probably the only gimbal that you will ever need. If you plan to only shoot with your smartphone and you don't plan to invest into add-on lenses or filters, or also into a mirrorless camera, then in my opinion, just go with the iSteady M6. It's a bit cheaper and pretty much has the same features. But if you also plan to invest into a camera or into add-ons for your smartphone, then this is, in my opinion, the gimbal to get. I would absolutely love to tell you some downsides and some things that I did not like, as this sounds like I'm sponsored to say this, and actually this video is not sponsored. This video has absolutely nothing to do with Hohem, but actually I did not find any, to be honest, and in the end this is just a hell of a gimbal that I can highly recommend you check out. Another side note here at the end, I have recently been in Amsterdam at the IBC, and I was doing 2 workshops for Hohem, and I got to meet their entire marketing team and sales team, and also the founder and CEO. And they were just super nice people, super kind, and just super passionate about what they're doing. And it was just super nice meeting them. And I'm pretty sure that there will be some many cool and fantastic products coming in the future. But now let's come to the thing that you guys maybe all have been waiting for. And you guys can win a brand new and sealed Hohem iSteady MT2, which I have inside of here. And all that you gotta do is comment below this video what types of videos that you would like to shoot with this gimbal, and also let me know like what types of setups that you're currently using. You can only comment once, but you can improve your likelihood of winning if you also follow us on Instagram. And by the way, in case you have not seen the video of the brand new Filmic Pro Killer from Blackmagic, then click this video over there.